They're very independent. They've been that way for 70 some years. They think they can manage everything by themselves, but I know better. They do have problems with their memory. Someone told me about JFS at home. We spoke to a care administrator. She outlined the program, and we found that the services that they provide would meet what our goals are. If they have peace of mind, then I have peace of mind. We have peace of mind. And at this point in their life, as well as mine, that's paramount. And JFS at home is the answer.